Welcome to our channel Rosemary JasMar. In this video we will make Turkish style kebab and eggplants. This dish is called Patlıcan kebab in Turkey. It's simply delicious. So first I'm going to start with making kebab mixture. I have got here minced meat. Into that I'm adding chopped onion, crushed garlic, 1 egg, some chopped parsley, and here I'm adding some breadcrumbs, cumin and paprika, some black pepper. I like to add 7 spices and a good amount of salt. I'm getting in there with my hand and forming the kebab mixture. Now once everything comes together, I'm going to start shaping my kebab. I'm gonna cover this up, put it in the fridge, let this rest for 15-20 minutes. In the meantime, we are going to make tomato sauce. I have got a hot pan here, some vegetable oil in it, sliced garlic, it's now time to get into blender fresh tomatoes in here. Tomato paste, add 7 spices, little bit of salt and pepper, fresh rosemary, and water. I'm giving everything a good mix and let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Kebab has been rested now. I'm gonna prepare our eggplants kebab. We will cut eggplants into thick slices. So I take my wooden skewer. I put a piece of eggplant and a piece of kebab. I will make all my skewers like this and I'm gonna put them in my oven pan here. I'm putting some onions and green chilies. Now that sauce we prepared, we can pour it in evenly on top of our kebab. We will bake. It's going to stay for about 45 minutes. Kebab is ready. It looks wonderful. It really does. Now let's prepare plate. Here you have it, such a typical Turkish dish. Once you try it, you will be addicted. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so.